There are a lot of reasons that students should choose the NIU Professional Sales program. Everyone is selling. Everyone is trying to influence you. So there's a lot of reasons to get into sales. And the NIU sales program is especially well suited at helping people figure out what part of influence, what part of sales that they enjoy and that they're naturally good at.
If they go in the sales program, they're going to get a lot of coaching from alumni and our partners who are really trying hard to make sure that they can excel in the field of sales.
Students in the NIU sales program are going to get access to employers, access to opportunities. They're going to get real-world experience. This is not a lecture situation. We are workshopping, we are up and moving. We bring business partners, sponsors into the intro level class. Every intro level student gets to role play twice with a business professional.
We also have a lot of alumni who are engaged with us, companies and partners who are coming back. In fact, we've had students hired on the spot during their sales role plays. They do so well and they've been coached so well that the company partner just says, hey, I want you on my team.
Probably the main thing that students get from the NIU sales program is confidence. They get confidence speaking to other people, having a business conversation, and asking hard questions. They get used to being uncomfortable, and then they feel so much more confident when they're done.